Arnica Wildflowers is an Edmonton-based company that grows and sells native plants. These plants are grown from untreated seeds of local perennials native to Edmonton and area.
A few years ago, when I wanted to create my native plant garden, I struggled to find sources of native plants in the Edmonton area. Arnica Wildflowers was born out of necessity and evolved into a business providing access to these hard-to-find native plants.
Planting native plants instead of non-native cultivars is super important and crucial for the preservation of the wildlife and the health of our whole ecosystem. Think of a pair of chickadees who have to find 6,000 to 9,000 caterpillars during the 16 days of raising their young. Only native plants support these caterpillars, because plants produce toxins to protect themselves, and only birds and insects which co-evolve with them have the ability to feed on them. When we introduce non-native plants to our environment, we start to reduce the number of species around us. Native plants look nice and beautiful. They do not need fertilizing, spraying with pesticides, or any other chemicals. These chemicals that are used every day are killing our wildlife and making us sick because they are polluting our soil, our air, and our water. They are also killing the pollinators, which we need for pollinating the flowers that become our fruits and vegetables. Plants native to our area have the right gene pools for our climate conditions. They do not care if the temperature is minus 30 or plus 30 degrees Celsius, and if we have a dry year or a wet year. They are tough and resilient. They do not die on us, making us spend more time and money on repurchasing plants. Arnica Wildflowers is here to provide access to native plants. Some popular native plant species are wild bergamot, giant hyssop, prairie crocus, fireweed, wild blue flax, fleabanes, asters, and goldenrods. These ones are popular because people see them in nature reserves and want to enjoy them in their own garden. There are many native plants that do great in the garden with different soil and light conditions, from full sun to full shade and everything in between. You can find Arnica Wildflowers at the Collingwood Farmers Market for the 2020 growing season on Sundays, carrying a wide variety of native plant species. Currently, more than 50 species, and the list is growing. You can also send an email to arnicawildflowers@gmail.com to set up an appointment to pick up plants. Arnica Wildflowers also does consultation, helping with the planning and the design of native plant gardens. Thank you for watching this video.